Okay, this is a quick video. I call the next section building blocks because those are the principles in which we're going to be able to build upon with the strategies that we're going to use. So it's like a pyramid of knowledge. So imagine you're building the bottom here. In this section, I will challenge you with some questions. And I want you to be honest with yourself because those will be of immense, of extreme value for you to know why you're trying to be more efficient. We're going to cover a little bit about sleep, about me time, about decreasing the time in your phone, your screen time. Learning about time management is a process of self-discovery. So there are concepts here that you're going to find they're going to be like, oh yeah, of course, I knew this. But there are other ones that you're going to be surprised by, and each person is going to fall into a different category of this whole spectrum. I also want you to pay special attention to the references and the citations and the links in this course. If you want to know how someone became the way they currently are, you need to know what they read. What podcasts do they listen, and what habits do they cultivate? As always, Unsunk is a community of people who are really trying to learn and be better. So if you have any suggestions and if you have any ideas, please send them over to info@unsunk.org. All right, enough talking. Let's get going.